Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Honor X8. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you are looking for how to change date and time in your Honor X8. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Honor X8 in the settings section. After open the settings section, it's going to be looks like this. You need to scroll all the way down and you need to click here System and Update. After click over System and Update, you need to click here Date and Time. Might be by if I am to change the date and time, it's not appear. You have to turn this set automatically, turn this off, and after that it will give you option to set your manual date and time. For example, I'm going to choose here May 2 and I'm going to click here OK. Also I'm going to change the time from morning 11:30 p.m. Let me make it here p.m. and let me make it OK. Let me go back and let me see is my phone time and date has changed or not. You can see the date and time has successfully changed. So within this way you can easily change date and time in your Honor X8. Why I will suggest you to turn off or turn on automatically date and time. It will help you to get the place you are currently. It will give you the local area time. If you want, you can go again in your Honor X8 in the settings section, click here System and Update, click here Date and Time, and you can easily turn this set automatically date and time. That's going to be automatically appear the current area you are. So within this way you can easily change date and time in your Honor X8. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.